Good morning, guys. Today for science, I'm so excited for our experiment. We're going to practice making a prediction. We are going to practice setting up an experiment, and then we're also going to observe and then record our data. And then you can even enjoy this experiment. What you need is your 3 packs of hot chocolate. This one is 2 hooked together. So you need your 3 packs of hot chocolate. You need your 3 mini marshmallows and your 3 large marshmallows. You're going to need 3 cups. In one, you're going to put cold water. In the second cup, you're going to put warm water. And then in the third cup, you're going to put hot water. So what I would do is put cold water from my sink. And then for the warm water, I would just put warm water from my sink. But for the hot water, I would either, I have a Keurig in the classroom, so I'm just going to run some water through the Keurig. Or if you have a coffee pot and you're allowed to, or have an adult help you put water through the coffee pot, or just put it in the microwave. Just warm up some water in the microwave. You're also going to need our recording sheets, okay? Always put your name at the top because we are practicing to keep our brains remembering how to write our name, and also not forgetting to put our name at the top of our paper for the day that you guys do come back to school. So first, at the top is where we are making our predictions. So before you mix your hot cocoa, before you put your marshmallows in, I want you to think about which hot chocolate will melt the marshmallow first. Do you think that the marshmallow is going to melt in the cold cup of hot chocolate, the warm cup of hot chocolate, or the hot cup of hot chocolate first? Go ahead and circle which one you think the marshmallow is going to melt in first. Then, our marshmallows are different sizes, and I wonder what that's going to do to how fast it melts. Our next question is which marshmallow will melt first? Do you think that the large marshmallow is going to melt first or the small marshmallow? Go ahead and circle which marshmallow you think is going to melt first. All right, for the what happened, these 2 lines are for after our experiment is done. And then for our cups, that is for after you put the marshmallows in. So what I want you to do, get your cups ready. Get your hands, maybe have a sibling or an adult help you, so that way you put your marshmallows in at exactly the same time, and then see which one melts first. The draw what you saw, I do want you to draw a picture of the 2 marshmallows, but I want you to draw the picture of the 2 marshmallows after 5 minutes. So set a timer for 5 minutes and see what the marshmallows look like after, okay? Because when you first put the marshmallows in, my prediction is they're not going to do anything instantly, okay? So set a timer for 5 minutes and then come back, check what your marshmallows look like, draw what the large and the small marshmallow look like inside the cold cup, draw what the large and the small marshmallow looks like inside the warm cup, and then draw what the large and small marshmallow looks like inside the hot cup. And then after it's all done, maybe 5 more minutes, or maybe after your 5 minutes, that's fine. What happened? What did you see? Which cup melted the marshmallows faster? Which marshmallow melted first? Okay. Did a small marshmallow melt first in one cup, but a large marshmallow melt first in a different cup? I don't know. Tell me what you saw. I do want to see these pages after you're done, so that way I can see how your experiment went and what your results were. So I'll put a link for you to turn this page in on Google Classroom. And then in your packet, I also sent some directions and a template and a cup template that you could make a sipping hot cocoa puppet using a brown paper lunch bag if you wanted. If you don't want to do this, that's okay. If you just want to color the mug, that's okay too. This is just an extra activity. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, okay? And you don't have to turn it in. I just put it there as something fun for you to do if you wanted a little extra something. I hope that you guys have fun with this experiment and that you enjoy it and that you get to enjoy the hot cocoa afterwards. Have a good day, guys.